So since I had that Viltrox package come with nothing in it, I've just been doing unboxing videos on everything I get. So this is an exciting package to open. It's going to be the Canon R50, the replacement for the M50 and the destruction of the M mount. So it should be an exciting package to open. I've got a 16mm full frame Canon RF lens here to use to test it out, and an SD card. If I can get this open, that's strong. Okay, so this is the first time this has been opened. There we go, it's sealed on that side in case there's nothing in here again. Let's see. Got instructions. Looks like there is actually a camera in here. Strap, the charger, battery. I've actually already got some of these batteries that are already charged. It's a pretty common Canon battery. So since we have some charged, we will be able to actually use this immediately. So, this is tiny. I've held the R10, the R7, I got an R6. So I kind of know the sizing of all these Canon cameras. I have also had a couple M50s. So yeah, it's about the same size as an M50. Oh yeah, it feels pretty good. Wish there was a little more of a notch right here. So I'm gonna have to hang some of my fingers off. But it feels pretty good. Let's take a look at that little APS-C sensor. Let's stick this 16mm on there. Just see how much grip there is with a lens. It's actually good. I was worried about this not having enough grip with the lens. I think that I might end up selling this and getting the R10 just because it did feel better than this, and it's not much different in cost, but yeah, that's tiny. So yeah, that is the R50. I'll have a more detailed video about this camera coming soon, probably really soon, maybe even the same day. I like the texture on the back here. It's a different texture than I've ever seen, like on the flippy screen. I've never seen that anywhere on any camera. Nice. So if you use the inside here to hold it, it might be okay. But yeah, that grip's a little bit uncomfortable. Definitely be better off with the R10 for the grip. It's like the size of a Fuji grip, but I think it's even less comfortable. I hate these things when they stick out. Oh, it's tiny. So yeah, stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Scroll through my channel, check out my other videos, and hit that subscribe button because I got a lot more videos coming soon. Thanks for watching.